Hello, to this video, we are here in Subway area. Ala, si Agaw. Mag-order na siya karon og number 4. Aha. Kani siya mag-asawa to si si Kubi at saka si Alexa. They are excess, Okay. Dahil kami po gym. Pero ngayon, nandito na kami sa everywhere. Subway pala. Pili na kayo. Bahala kayo kung anong pipiliin. Kasi sila, ano talaga gaw? Sabihin mo ang katotohanan. Sabihin mo kung toppings na sa akin at ako magsasabi. I want this, that is the number 4?
Yeah.
The number 4, I want this one and this one, and that one and this one. Okay? You know? That one, the black, and this one, the paper green. Put a little cucumber. And also I want this spicy and the yellow. And put a little corn. Thank you.